Alright, so today I have either the best purchase I've ever made or the worst purchase I've ever made. It's in this right here. So, this is an iPhone 8. However, the only small issue with this iPhone 8 is that it's bent in, like where the antenna band is. That's where it's bent at. Right? How do you open... Oh, this. Okay. Or... yeah. Okay. Alright. Alright. Now, I got this for $100. Okay. And... I don't know if that was a good purchase. You see, So you know what I just realized? I thought this side was the side where the battery was, because I wasn't paying attention. Oh, fuck. I think I just blew $100. What do you think? Okay. Well, let's see, is this the... No, where's a good screwdriver? Is this a good screwdriver? No. Where? Oh, in here. Okay. Okay, so... My dumb ass. I think I just blew $100. Okay. What would cause a phone to do this? That's what I don't understand. Alright, the screw really doesn't want to come out at all. Alright. Okay. Now, what I need is one of these. Well, let's use the good side. Now, well, you know, I was hoping the logic board would be good, but now that I'm seeing the bend is like where the logic board is and not the battery, I am having major second guesses. Okay, so the logic board is kind of bent, you know? Oh, that's quite unfortunate. Okay. Let's get these screws out. Now, I thought these were going to be tri-point screws, but apparently not. So, I think I fucked up. Like, big time. I think I really fucked up big time. That's a small-ass battery connector right there. Okay. Well, what I was hoping is that the display would be the issue with the device. Like the display wasn't turning on or something. Where's some tweezers? The screw dropped down. Okay. So I was hoping it would be a display issue, that the display was so cracked and like bent that all the things were done for. But this really is looking like it's going to be a board issue. That's not going to be very good. Alright, I got the display off. Now, what I need to do is I bought a replacement iPhone 8 display. So I don't think I'm actually going to get my money back. Like, why did I even do that? Well, let's see. How could I get my money back? Like, maybe buy it now for the same price. But why isn't this coming off? Oh, there we go. Is it? Oh, that's not cut. Okay. Alright. The replacement iPhone 8 display. Oh, I highly doubt this is gonna do anything. Maybe, just maybe, I could get my money back for the display, but that's only maybe $20. Let's see. This really doesn't want to go on at all, not one bit. Right there. Battery is plugged in. Okay. Let's see if I get any life. Nope. Alright, let's plug it in, and nothing happens. Well, it's amazing how this back glass isn't cracked. Okay, well, let's see here. Maybe the backlight is dead or something. No, doesn't appear like it. Well, huh. Okay, let's unplug the device, unplug the battery, and unplug the display. Just like that. And let's go throw the phone out the window. Not really. Alright. Well, How does this even happen? That's what I want to know. Maybe it was run over by a car or something. Because that's what I would think would cause this. Like, I can't even bend it. Oh well. That's quite unfortunate now, isn't it? The seller did explicitly... Oh, that's not good. The seller did explicitly state no returns under any circumstances. I hate people that do that. Like, I always offer returns, but... Alright, so the logic board, it should be like this, right? But it's like this. Well, it's more like that, but... Now, what's going to be hard is making my money back. But let's try installing the display one more time. Wait, is there a SIM card in this? Let's see. No. Alright. Maybe I didn't plug it in fully or something. I highly doubt that. Alright, I'm wondering right now how much money I could make back off this device. Unplug the battery. The display wasn't actually plugged in. Yeah, not doing anything. Well. I'm going to leave it plugged in, see if it does anything. I don't think it will. But just in case. I'll get back to you. Alright. So I did leave it plugged in to charge for a bit. Nothing happened. Like when I did this, wouldn't vibrate or anything. Wouldn't show any signs of life whatsoever. So right now I'm in the process of reinstalling the other display. The cracked one. Let's see here. Like this, like camera connector, the camera and speaker connector, never want to go in. Like, at all. Well. Okay, so I put all the screws and the plates, whatever it's called, back in. I'm going to reinstall the completely broken display. Alright, now what I'm going to do is reinstall these screws. And I'm going to leave this plugged into a charger overnight just to make sure that everything is all good. Okay. That screws in right there. And this. Oh, screwdriver completely went flying. That goes just like that. Okay, I'm going to leave this plugged in overnight just to make sure, like, when I switch this, nothing will happen. When I press the home button, nothing will happen. So, yeah. Now, this iPhone 8 display, I think I might keep it. Or should I? That's the real question. Because I'm pretty sure I could just return it. Where's the top thing? It's right here. Alright. So, that is just great.